if y equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx then show that prove that d2y upon dx square plus n square y equal to 0। प्रॉब्लम गिवन है आपके पास y equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx, then prove that d2y upon dx square plus n square y equal to 0। Here problem given, the find value of second order differentiation, then given problems are differentiating with respect to x by 2 times। Solution given that y is equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx, making question number 1, differentiating it with respect to x b, dy upon dx, a will be constant, cos nx difference of cos nx minus sin nx into n difference of nx by complete function plus b into difference of cos nx, sorry sin nx is known as cos nx into difference of n will be common, then dy upon dx is equal to minus a sin nx plus b cos of nx, again differentiating it, with respect to x b, d2y upon dx square minus n difference of sin nx minus a into cos of nx plus into n plus b into difference of cos nx minus sin nx into n will be common, taking multiplied by n square, we get n square bracket minus a cos of nx plus minus b sin nx, minus taking common, we get d2y upon dx square minus n square into a cos nx plus b sin nx, which is from equation 1 a cos nx plus b sin nx is known as y, then putting the value of that place is y from equation 1, we get d2y upon dx square minus n square into y from equation 1, or imply that d2y upon dx square plus n square y equal to 0. That's all. Same problem that is solved is in this type problem are most important in view of board examination. Next problem. If x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to equation, if x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta, find d2y upon dx square. Here the given problem are two equations are given. The value of x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. We know that the differentiation of, if the functions are, two equations are given, is known as parametric functions. And in previous lecture we find the differentiation of parametric, differentiating both equations with respect to common variable means parameter with respect to theta, and find the value of dy upon dx. Then again differentiating it, we get d2y upon dx square. Here the solutions. Solution. Given that x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta, differentiating it with respect to theta by parametric differentiation, dx upon d theta is equal to a cos minus a sin theta, and dy upon d theta is equal to a into cos of theta difference. R में dy upon dx is equal to dy upon d theta divided by dx upon d theta. We get value dy upon dx is equal to a cos theta upon a cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. A will be cancelled out. Cos theta and sin theta will be cot theta. We get dy upon dx is equal to minus cot theta. Cot theta. Again differentiating it with respect to theta. Sorry, with respect to x. Now again differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x, differentiating d2y upon dx square, but minus dx of cot theta. Here the variable is theta and differentiating with respect to x. Here cot theta not differentiating with respect to x. Then this simplify by multiplied by d theta and divided by d theta. इस टाइप का प्रॉब्लम जब भी कहीं आ जाए, जो यहाँ वेरिएबल होगा, जब तक उसका वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर नहीं होगा तब तक उसका डिफरेंशिएशन हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. तो इस टाइप के डिफरेंशिएशन के लिए ऑलरेडी हम लोग इसको बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन रूल अप्लाई करके जो वेरिएबल होता है उसके डिफरेंशिएशन से पैरामीटर से मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है. सेम कंडीशन d2y upon dx square is known as minus d upon d theta cot theta into d theta upon dx. dx d theta will be cancelled out. d upon dx same condition will be. Here the value of dx upon d theta is known as minus a sin theta. The value of d theta upon dx is known as 1 upon minus a sin theta. Here the value put it. And the definition of cot theta with respect to theta is known as minus cosec square theta. Minus cosec square theta d2y upon dx square minus will be positive cosec square theta into the value of d theta upon dx from these dx upon d theta minus 1 upon a sin theta multiplied by these, we get 1 upon sin theta is known as cosec theta multiplied by d2y upon dx square is equal to minus cosec cube theta divided by d. That's all. In this type problems, find the second order differential. Same process of parametric, but one point are noted here. Already जब भी आपके पास कई पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन गिवन होगा तो यहाँ पे आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन अप्लाई करना होगा, वेरिएबल सेम टाइप में मिलेगा तभी आपका डिफरेंशिएट होगा. Next one problem are showing also. Question next. If x is equal to 80 square and y equal to 280, then begin. Then d2y upon dx dt square dx square at point t equal to 1. Solution. Given that x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. Here same process of parameter dx upon dt is equal to 280 and dy upon dt is equal to 2. Then dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt, we get 2a upon 280. 2a will be cancelled out. dy upon dx is equal to 1 by t. Again differentiating it with respect to x, we get d2y upon dx square is equal to d upon dx 1 by t. Here same process, the variables are t and differentiate with respect to dx, not differentiating, then multiplying by dt and divided by dt are simplified. d2y upon dx square is equal to d upon dt to t inverse into dt upon dx. We get d2y upon dx square. The definition of this t inverse is equal to minus 1 upon t square, and the value of dt upon dx from this dx, the value of dx upon dt is 2 upon 280, but the value of dt upon dx we get here 1 upon 280 multiplied by this, we get d2y upon dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 280 cube. That's it. Here this value and find the value of d2y upon dx square at t is equal to 1. Then putting the value of in place of t, d2y upon dx square at t is equal to 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2a into 1 whole cube are simplified by d2y upon dx square at t is equal to 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2a. That's all. Same process. Differentiation will be closed.